Hello guys, welcome to KNY Tech channel. This is Vivek and in this video we will discuss variable initialization. First of all, you should know what is initialization. Initialization means assigning a value. Assigning a value is called initialization. In the same way, variable initialization means assigning a value to variable. Assigning value to variable. We should note something very important thing, that is assigning value. What type of value? We have to be clear in that. Assigning value to a variable. While we are declaring a variable, we should mention data type. That means which data type does it belongs to. The value should be also of same data type. You should keep note. If the data type of this value and the variable mismatches, it show error. The compiler show error message and the program doesn't run. Okay, we can initialize a value at the time of declaration, or we can initialize later in the program. You see, I will write some code, some lines of code. Here I am initializing while declaring the variable. Here I am initializing value 0. It is of type integer. I am declaring variable a of type integer, and I am assigning at the time of declaration only. And later somewhere else in the code, I am initializing a to 1. Means we can initialize at the beginning, you can initialize at any point we need it. Okay, there are two types of initializations. Two types. First one is static. We call it as compile time initialization also. Second one is dynamic or runtime. What is the difference between static initialization or dynamic initialization? Static initialization means, or compiler initialization means, it is not user friendly. At the first, while writing a code, we initialize some values to the code or the variables. We cannot change when the program is running. But when we come to dynamic initialization or runtime initialization, when the code is running, we can assign the values, we can change the values. Means it is user friendly. That is the difference. I will show you one code for static and dynamic initializations. I am writing a simple code. I am not writing that hash include stdio.h and hello. Printf. This is an integer variable a, and 10 is an integer value, and I am assigning it to a. Printf %d. This is called format specifier. Means we are specifying that a is integer type. %d we use to represent that the printing value is integer type. I am closing. This is static initialization. We are not initializing or assigning values while the code is running. At the time of declaration only we are initializing. We cannot change this value what we can want. Okay, second one, at dynamic initialization. Main function, our program starts execution. Integer variable a, it is of type integer. And here the most important thing is scanf. This function, we use this function The scanf is a function to read the data dynamically. Means whenever the code is running, the scanf takes the input from user and storing this value at the place where A represents its address. Means it stores the data at the address of A. Now I am printing %d comma A. When we run this code, scanf, it asks the user to enter the value of A and it prints the value that we entered. Okay, this is, so it is user friendly. That is the difference between static initialization and dynamic initialization. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and share this video.